Alam mo ba, hindi lahat ng dogs ay friendly during the first meeting. Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne and I'm an animal welfare advocate for 25 years. I also had an international organization that gives Aspins a chance for a second life. Alam mo ba, hindi lahat ng dogs ay friendly during the first meeting. Takot sila sa mga strangers and that's normal. Especially pag rescue dogs sila. Minsan nagtatago lang sila sa corner. Marami kaming cases na ganyan. Kasi they need time to assess if they're safe. Siyempre ang dami na nilang napagdaanan na trauma eh. So anong gagawin? Introduce yourself slowly, paamoy ka. Or diyan ka lang sa tabi niya and observe at their own pace. Magsalita ka ng malumanay, avoid leaning over them kasi nasa-threaten sila, doon ka lang sa tabi niya. And reward small signs of curiosity. Example, pag inaamoy-amoy ka na, then you say, hello! Or pwede mo siyang hawakan sa likod kung okay siya. If not, just stay there and be calm. Slow, respectful introductions build confident and trusting dogs. Save this tip for your next guest visit at home.